I think today, the early adoption in the finance world is really in the insurance industry, where they try to put these devices in cars, telemetrics, or Fitbit devices on person, so that the insurance companies can understand the usage better, or in terms of a person, their lifestyle better, and could potentially adjust their premiums for insurance. But beyond the insurance industry, in banking right now, I think it's a bit of a hype.
There are two big challenges that slow down the adoption of the Internet of Things, right? One is obviously security. And security is extremely important. So the problem with the Internet of Things, which is not done in a secure way, is it exposes a lot more things to attack, which would mean that banking will take much longer to adopt it, right? Number one. Number two is there is so much more data that is now being created that making sense of the data and driving it to insight, and especially when data is sitting in different pools, is another problem.
For direct usage of IoT in banking, there is not much of a case study. But when it comes to the secondary effects, so for example, a manufacturer which has a lot of data on their capabilities that's available to banks, that would allow banks to quantify the risk on their business much better, and therefore be able to understand their cash flows and then figure out, the kind of funding that they need. Essentially is risk management, where we use data that's being produced by our customers for us to use to manage credit worthiness of a company.
Internet of Things certainly has the potential to fundamentally impact how industries like manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and agriculture operate. The ability to monitor almost every aspect of the physical presence of a thing will ultimately lead to greater productivity and greater efficiency. This same data and understanding of a company's operational health may ultimately lead to a better understanding of their financial needs. We think this is where IoT will become most relevant to the financial services industry. I'm Michael Fong, and we're here to talk fintech.